In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and link a Nintendo account to the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Nintendo Switch Online. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a Nintendo account. So we're going to click on the plus, and what it says, we're going to click on add without signing in. Then we're going to select an icon, just choose something we like, and we're just gonna give it a name. Then click on OK. We're gonna click on OK, and we're going to click on Geo, and it says please link your Nintendo account. We're going to click on sign in. Then we get on this page, and here it says sign in with QR code. All the sign in methods or create a new account. So the easiest to do right now is we're going to create a new account, and the easiest thing to do that is to do it on a phone or on a laptop. So we're just gonna take our phone. We're going to do it on our phone. We're going to log in, and on your phone, we're just going to type in create Nintendo account. We're going to accounts.nintendo.com. Then right here, guys, create Nintendo account. You have three options. You can sign in with Google, you can sign up with Apple, or you can just fill in right here a nickname, email address, password, date of birth, gender, country, region, time zone. I'm just gonna do it manually. So fill this in. Then if you fill this in, right here, you have two boxes. You have the checking this box, and we're also gonna check that box. And then we're going to click on continue. Then right here it says if you want to receive free benefits as an email subscriber, we're just going to say don't receive. I'm going to click on confirm and register. Right here it says they send a verification code to your email. So just go to your Gmail. So in our email, they send us a code 4626. We're going to click on confirm. And then it says congratulations, account information. And we're just going to click on OK. Then what we're going to do is we're going back to our Nintendo Switch 2. And right here, we're going to say other sign-in methods. Then right here, we're just going to log in with the information which we just created our account. And we're going to click on OK, and we're going to click on sign in. They send a verification code. They send us a code on our email, and we're going to type it in 433643. We're going to click on OK, and we're going to click on verify. Then note, the user and Nintendo account will be linked. Once it's done, you will not be able to change your linked account, and we're going to click on link. And yes, guys, we're going to click on start, and that's how you make a link and Nintendo account to the Nintendo Switch.